Understanding the phrase, wade in. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, wade in. Have you heard this phrase before? If not, or even if you have, stick around as we unravel its meaning and usage together. Imagine you're at a beach or a shallow stream. To wade means to walk through water, especially when it's not very deep. Your feet touch the bottom, and the water might be up to your ankles, knees, or sometimes even your waist. The key idea is that you're moving slowly and carefully. Now, when we use the phrase, wade in everyday English, we're often not talking about water at all. Instead, it's a figurative way to say, to begin or involve oneself in an activity or situation in a determined or enthusiastic manner. To intervene or get involved in a difficult situation or conflict. For example, if someone says, she didn't hesitate, she just waded in, they mean that she got involved immediately and with determination. Let's look at some sentences to better understand the use of wade in. 1. The teacher waded in when the students started arguing, hoping to calm things down. 2. Not sure how to solve the problem? Don't be afraid to wade in and give it a try. 3. The committee waded in with their opinions about the new policy. From these examples, you can see that the phrase can be used in various contexts, but the core idea remains: someone taking action or getting involved. And there we have it. The next time you hear or read the phrase, wade in, you'll know that it's not just about water and beaches. It's about taking action, getting involved, and sometimes even taking on challenges head-on. We hope this explainer has shed some light on this phrase for you. Keep wading through the English language, and you'll discover many more fascinating phrases like this one.